Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the practice now, the 2.1 practice. Level 1, we're just going to say if the answer is going to be a positive or a negative when you're multiplying. So a positive times a negative, those are different. And when you're multiplying, if you multiply two different signs, like a positive and a negative, your answer is negative. Okay. Then a positive times a positive, those are the same. When you're multiplying, two numbers who have the same sign is going to be positive. Right. Then a negative times a negative, those are the same, so your answer is positive. Then a negative times a positive, so minus times plus. Your answer, those are different, so your answer is going to be negative. All right, so now we're just going to do some math problems. Okay, so 11 times 8 is 88. They're both positive. So they're the same, so our answer is positive. Since we had two positives times each other. Negative 5 times 12. 5 times 12 is 60. We have a negative times a positive. Those are different. When you're multiplying, different signs will have a negative answer. Okay. Negative 9 times negative 9. Start with 9 times 9 is 81. Then we have a negative times a negative. Those are the same, so your answer is positive. Okay. 13 times negative 2. 13 times 2 is 26. We have a positive times a negative. Those are different signs, so your answer is negative 26. Negative 1 times negative 50. 1 times 50 is 50. We have a negative times a negative. Those are the same. When we're multiplying, if they have the same sign, our answer is positive. Negative 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. We have a negative times a positive. So our answer is positive 21. And then for a challenge, we have some word problems. Okay. You burn 15 calories every minute you jog. What integer represents the change in calories after jogging for 4 minutes? Okay. So your total calories is going to be your number of calories burned times the amount of time. Okay. So when you burn 15 calories, that's minus 15 times 4 minutes is our problem. 15 times 4 is 60. A negative times a positive is a negative. So minus 60 calories. Or you burned 60 calories, or you lost 60 calories. That minus tells us that somehow it went away. Okay. A freezer cools by 25 degrees every hour. What integer represents the change in temperature after 3 hours? Okay. So cools, the temperature is going down, so that's a minus 25 times our amount of time, 3 hours. 25 times 3 is 75. Negative times a positive is a negative. So there is a minus 75-degree difference. All right, last one. You earn $4 for every hour that you babysit. How much money do you have after 5 hours? So we're going to take that $4 we earn, that's a positive money, times the 5 hours. 4 times 5 is 20. All right, so I know the word problems were a lot. I hope that helped a little bit. You got this. Thanks for watching.